are curious about how news is written, what makes a story important. So this video will explain it all. We will explore the basis of news and its key elements. So first of all, we deal with news. What is news? News is factual information about current events. News is development that has happened in the recent past, which is wide interest to the people. So that is news for you. Next, let us jump to the elements of news. Number one is immediacy. News should be fresh and timely. People value updates on events that just happened or are happening now. Examples, breaking news or daily headlines. Number two, proximity. Events happening nearby are more relevant to the audience. Example, a road accident in Karachi impacts Karachi residents more than people elsewhere. Number three, prominence. Stories involving famous personalities or public figures grab attention. Example, when a political leader like Imran Khan is in the news, it draws widespread interest. Number four, oddity. Unusual or unexpected events make for interesting news. Example, a man bites dog. Story is more intriguing than a typical dog bites man incident. Number five is conflict. Stories about disagreements, debates, or fights are engaging. Example, political clashes between parties like PMLN and PTI often make headlines. Human interest. Stories that touch emotion like inspiring or heartbreaking events resonate with people. Example, stories about animal abuse or domestic violence evoke strong feelings. Now moving on, sources of news. Number one, reporter. Reporters work for news organization and physically visit places to gather news. Example, a Geo News reporter covering a live protest in Islamabad to provide on-ground updates. Number two, news agencies. These organizations collect authentic, unbiased news and sell it to media outlets on a subscription basis. Example, BBC or Dawn uses reporter for international stories about wars or natural disasters. Number three, press release. Official announcements from companies providing detailed information about their activities. Sub-editors decide what is relevant for publishing. Example, Apple releases a press statement announcing the launch of a new iPhone model. Number five, press conferences. Meeting where companies or individuals make official announcements and answer journalist questions. Example, a cricket board holds a press conference to announce the ICC World Cup team. Number six, letter to the editor. Citizens write to editor to highlight local issues and seek action from authorities. Example, a Karachi resident writes to Dawn about water shortages. These sources ensures timely and diverse news for the audience. Now, the inverted pyramid. The inverted pyramid is a common style journalists use to write news stories. The most important information at the top and leave less crucial details at the end, making it easy for readers to know the key points quickly. Key elements of the inverted pyramid. Number one, headline. A short, catchy title summarizing the main idea of the story. Purpose to grab attention and give a quick overview. Number two, most important information. Lead. Answers the key questions like who, what, when, where, why, and sometimes how. Provides a summary of the entire news in one or two sentences. Example, a fire in a downtown apartment displaced 50 families last night, causing severe damage. Number three, important details. Body. Expands on the lead with more facts, explanation, and quotes from witnesses or experts. Example, the fire began in the basement due to an electrical fault. Residents were evacuated safely, but property damage is extensive. Number four, least important information. Tail. Adds background or less essential details, which can be skipped if needed. Example, the apartment complex built in 1985 houses over 100 people. Repairs might take months. Purpose of the structure. This format ensures reader get the most critical details first, even if they don't read the whole story. News is more than just headlines. It reflects the world, values, and stories around us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.